Hello guys, so welcome. So in this lecture we are going to see relational data model. So in the relational data model, it organizes data into a table. Okay, it organizes data into a table called relation. Okay, it organizes data into the tables. It called relation. Okay, that are connecting using some keys. Okay, that are connecting using some keys. Each table consists of rows uh, rows and column. Okay, rows and column, that is record or attribution. Fine. So simply meaning of relational data is organize the data into a table, okay, called relation, that are connected using keys. These keys are primary keys or foreign keys. You know SQL, then you can simply relate this thing with SQL. Fine. So there are some key features over there. So data is stored in a table. Each row is a unique record. Okay, each row is a unique record. Each column represent attribute. Okay, each column attribute. So table are connected using primary keys and foreign keys. Fine, primary keys and foreign keys. And fifth one, follow the rule of normalization to reduce the data redundancy. Okay, follow the rule of normalization to reduce data redundancy. Here's one example of relational data model, like student ID, student name, or course ID. These are this is student table, this is course table. So in student table there is student ID, name, and course ID. So student ID is a primary key. It is different for all kids. Okay, all kids are students. Fine. It never same. Okay, like this is a primary key. Course ID, there are two tables now. There is student and course. So course ID is common between them. So course ID is a foreign key. Okay, course ID is a foreign key, and this is primary key. So this is a table which is connected through foreign key. Fine. So this is a relational data model. So it contains one Raj, Anjali, and course ID, computer data science, like twice. Fine. So student ID is the primary key, and course ID is foreign key. So there are some advantages and applications of relational data modules. So one of the most useful advantage of relational data module is easy to understand and use. Yeah, easy to understand and use. Second one is ensure data accuracy through the relationships. Okay, ensure the data accuracy through the relationship. Okay, like these relationships. Fine. The third one is it support SQL for data manipulation. I told you earlier that if you know SQL, you can relate this thing very easily. Fine. So it support SQL for data manipulation. The fourth one is reduce data duplication using normalization. It uses data duplication. We don't need any duplicate data. We want new data. So that's why to reduce the duplicacy, we use normalization. Last but not least, the applications. So first application is used in banking, college database, e-commerce system, etc. Example of this, like MySQL, PSQL, Oracle DB, MS SQL servers, like this. Okay, fine. If you're interested, please like, share, and subscribe.